Welcome to the TIWO channel. Have a good day. Here you will find great tips and work offers. Have a good day.
Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to explore how to extract unique values from a dataset using three essential tools: Excel, SQL and Python, which are very useful to data analyst role. So now let's start with Excel. Here is the sales data. So now we have to identify the unique product values from this dataset. So then we can select the entire product column, highlight. Just first of all you can highlight which you want to unique records, then just you can copy and paste into the new sheet and go to the data from the menu bar and select the remove duplicates icon and click OK button. These are been 7 unique products are been there. Now let's start with SQL Server. So here the sales data is there, just you can execute the entire sales information is there. Now just you can select the entire product column and run the query. This is the all the products are been appearing here. Now you can use the distinct keyword for identify the duplicates, and another one is group by clause. So both are giving the same result to here. Just you can check to here both the query same output. 7 unique records are been there. So now let's start with Python. Okay, so before connecting the SQL, just you have to install the pip install open py excel library, otherwise it will not able to read in Python. So now you can go to cmd prompt and pip install and open. Already I have installed in my system. If you don't have it, you can use this command pip install open py excel. Okay, so now open the Python application, and here I am executing the code line by line for easy to understand. So now we have to import the pandas. Okay, so now we can import library. Already we have installed openpy excel, we can import that. And another one is we have to connect the excel file from the local file path. So sales data file. Okay, so now we can create the variable, and this is the very important. Df means data frame. So that excel file create as a data frame, and now we can set this is the action item. So unique prod, so we have to select the product name and use the unique function, and just you can type the print and type the variable name unique dot prd. So now all the 7 unique products are appearing to like this here. Now if you want to display line by line, so we have to use the command like that. So print and items SCP means separate in new line. So this is the way. So we have to run. If you want to enter the code in at a time, this is also been there. Just you have to use the execute command. This is the command execute and open. Just you have to save that entire code in the .py file. See that here. So we can run in same code in new terminal also. Just open the open the Python app and just execute that .py file, because that entire code is in that .py file. So this is the output. So thank you so much for watching this video.
Thank you so much for watching today's tip. Kindly subscribe and follow for more videos.